Hello children, how are you all doing? Well, let me introduce myself. I am Sangeeta Sarkar, your art teacher. Okay, so let's begin with the class. We'll be doing lines. Okay, we'll be learning lines, standing line, sleeping lines. So you must have already done before. So this will help your drawing skill. So to begin with, what we'll be doing a very easy exercise that is called scribbling, which you must be doing so many times, right? So what you have to do now, just get your newspaper, any rough paper or your drawing sheet, okay? Then you have to do along with me. I'm going to show you how to do the scribbling. Of course, you must be knowing how to do scribbling. So just begin with that. So just follow what I'm doing. You don't have to follow exactly the scribbling like I'm doing. You can do just anything. Basically, why I'm doing scribbling, why we are doing this exercise, so that your hands become free. Okay. Before starting your lines, your hand will become free. And one more thing, when you are doing scribbling or drawing lines or drawing anything, you have to move your hand from your shoulder. Okay, so this is your shoulder, so you have to move your hand like this. Okay, you can see my shoulder how I'm moving. Don't move your wrist only. Okay, so move your hand from your shoulder. So when I'm doing, you'll see you have to move your hand completely on the paper. All right, so just see what I'm doing and you can do along with me. Then I'll also give you some time to finish it. All right, so let's begin it. Okay, get your paper. I'm waiting for you to get your paper, right? Okay, now we have started with the scribbling. You can see how I'm doing it. You have to move your hand completely on the paper. You have to just slide through on the paper. Just do anything, any curve, any straight line, whatever comes in your mind. So just keep doing it. Just fill the paper and you will see your movement will become so easy now. Now after this, when you'll be doing the lines, you'll find drawing lines so easy. Alright, so keep doing like this along with me. It's fun, right? Okay. You can see I'm just filling the paper. Yes, you are still doing the scribbling or you are done with it? Okay. How is it going? Great. Let me show my scribbling. This is my scribbling. It's funny, right? But it's fun, right? Okay. After this, we are going to start with the standing and sleeping line. Fine? Okay. Let's start then. Let's start with the lines. Straight lines. No worries if you're getting a little wavy. Just keep doing it. Keeping some space in between. So basically what we are doing, these are sleeping lines. Okay. You just have to draw the lines from one end to another in your sheet till the end of the line sheet. Okay. You can make You can draw more lines also. So are you doing along with me? Good. After this, we'll be starting with the standing line. So how to draw the standing line? You must be knowing already. The same way, keeping some space in between, you have to draw the standing line. Don't worry if the lines are coming wavy or curvy. Just try to make it straight as far as possible. Okay. Again, now also you just have to fill the paper with standing line. Okay.